Let's talk about these awesome Solar Lights outdoor floodlights. What's in the box? It's simple and exactly what you need. You get a 2-pack of these super bright lights and their separate high-efficiency solar panels. Plus, you get the mounting hardware and best of all, the remote control. It's everything for a total home security lighting upgrade right here. The setup? It couldn't be easier. No electrician needed and no running wires. Because they're solar, you just pick a spot with good sun exposure for the panel, screw the light where you need the coverage. This is a true DIY installation that takes minutes. And don't worry about leaving them outside. These are built off. They are waterproof, ready to stand up to heavy rain, snow, or whatever crazy weather hits in your area. Once they're up, they're staying up, working reliable year-round. Now for the power. These things crank an incredible 3000 lumens using 218 bright LEDs. That's serious floodlight power, not just a dim accent light. But they're smart too. You get a responsive motion sensor for security, and the remote lets you toggle between 4 adjustable modes, so you can customize exactly how they behave. And the solar panels use high-end technology, which means they charge super fast and keep that power longer, being that a huge plus compared to other lights that I have used in the past. So if you're looking for no more dark corners in your backyard, these lights are the way to go.